Hey fabulous bakers, I've got something incredibly delicious for you today and you definitely don't want to miss it. So stay tuned to discover the classic recipe that is perfect for this season, especially since the berries are in full swing at the market. So here is what we will need for this mouth-watering dessert. I've taken frozen berries over here, about half a cup. So it has strawberries, blueberries. Then I've taken cream cheese which is at room temperature, condensed milk, curd, lemon juice, melted butter and biscuit that is crushed. So these are digestive biscuits that I've crushed into pieces. First thing first, let's get that biscuit base going on. So for that, put this crushed biscuit mixture which is about 125 grams and put it into about 65 grams of melted butter. Once all the biscuit mixture is done, it is time to press this heavenly combo into a loose bottom cake tin and flatten it using the spatula or using the glass and pop it into the refrigerator for just about 20 minutes. Just press it firmly so that it fits very well into your cake. While the biscuit base is chilling, let's whip up the cream base. So for that, let us start beating about 250 grams of cream cheese until it becomes smooth and creamy. Can you see the consistency? Once it is done, you can add about 200 grams of condensed milk and a tablespoon of lemon juice in this and beat this again. By the way, what is your favorite recipe in this season? Comment below and let me know if you like baked recipes or no bake recipes for your loved ones. And as far as this mixture is concerned, mix it all up and then put about 1/4 cup of curd until you get a smooth and lump-free batter. This delightful creation is what we call as a baked cheesecake. Trust me, there is something special about the texture and the flavor that baking brings out in a cheesecake. It's pure magic. Now remove the tin from the refrigerator and add this mixture that we have made on top of the cream base. Sprinkle those luscious berries and cover them with remaining batter. I am using frozen berries because I don't want them to get too soft during baking. Also remember, if the batter is not enough to cover the berries properly, the baked cheesecake will have lot of cracks in it. So remember to put all your berries and cover it nicely using your cheesecake batter. Now it's time to bake. So pop it in a preheated oven and here is a tip. Please ensure that cheesecakes are baked at a slow temperature. And when it is almost done, can you see the texture? It is almost done. Now there are no cracks as such, but because the berries are popping out, after some time it will definitely develop the cracks. Now here is a pro tip. When it is almost done, prop the oven door open with a wooden spoon. You know what? It adds that perfect touch. After half an hour, just remove it from your OTG and refrigerate until it is fully set. And once it is fully set, then you can unmold your masterpiece and decorate it with some whipped cream or with some frozen berries as well. Trust me, it is a feast for the eyes and to your taste buds as well. Now, if you want to explore more exciting and easy cheesecake recipes like Nutella cheesecake, cold cheesecakes or New York style baked cheesecakes as well, all eggless, then consider joining my online DIY cheesecake course. You will find the link to join to enroll into this particular course in the description box below. Now, have a look at the texture of this baked cheesecake. It is so yummy, it is so delicious and it is so very fruity. The biscuit base is baked very nicely, so has the cheesecake base. Arrange some frozen berries on top and there you go. Your beautiful berries baked cheesecake is ready to go. And if you have really loved this recipe, do like, share, follow me and subscribe to my channel for more delightful recipes. Until next time, happy baking!